Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Max Diff Skin Brightening Cream. First, always begin with a clean canvas. Thoroughly cleanse your face to remove any makeup, dirt, or impurities. Next, gently pat your skin dry, ensuring it is completely free of moisture before proceeding. It is also wise to perform a small patch test on an inconspicuous area, like behind your ear, 24 hours prior to full application, to check for any sensitivities. Now let's talk about application. Dispense a small, pea-sized amount of Max Diff cream onto your clean fingertip. This potent formula requires only a tiny quantity for effective results. Gently dot the cream onto the specific areas you wish to brighten, such as dark spots or uneven skin tone. Then, using a soft touch, massage the cream into your skin in gentle, circular motions until it is fully absorbed and no residue remains. For optimal results, apply Max Diff cream once daily, ideally as part of your nighttime skincare routine. During the day, it is absolutely crucial to protect your skin by applying a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher, as brightening ingredients can increase sun sensitivity. Remember to avoid direct contact with your eyes and other sensitive mucous membranes to prevent irritation. Consistency is key when using Max Diff cream. Regular, daily application will help you achieve the best possible brightening effects over time. Most users begin to notice visible improvements in their skin tone and radiance within 4 to 6 weeks of consistent use. If you experience any persistent irritation, redness, or discomfort, please discontinue use and consult with a dermatologist for personalized advice and guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.